Here at North Avoca, we've created a couple of permanent daybed structures and hangout structures. So obviously you can put in place some temporary daybeds that can be moved around, but these are beautiful permanent structures. This one here we've designed in a beautiful wood structure that's all been painted to protect against the elements. You've got this beautiful breeze block backing here, just as a nice aspect and feature. All of these daybeds have been made concrete, so these are solid as they're ever going to be. They're never ever going to move, longevity in them. But we've also put a little strip light in here, so at night or in the evening or early morning, that light will come on and give this beautiful hue underneath. Every single one of these daybeds have also had our standard custom cushions made. These are done with a Sunbrella material. Also underneath you'll see that we've got this hessian in there to allow drainage in case of rain, so that these things can stay out permanently and be a long-term feature for the customer with low maintenance. Overall, all the cushions on all of these aspects are hand and custom made locally.